Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Ideation is a key stage in the startup process in developing a product or service. Founders use it to question the obvious and come up with a new solution. To pursue ideation in your startup, consider the following. Generate many ideas, whether they are workable or not. Set up a place where no idea is a bad idea. Ask the question, how could we, to generate new possibilities? And use analogies to draw ideas from other sources to apply to your situation. Put yourself in the place of the customer and role-play the customer's experience. And use brainstorming to generate new scenarios and outcomes. Challenge the assumptions behind the current solutions. And use mind mapping by writing out keywords and visually connecting ideas around it into a diagram. Capture the user personas and talk through the story of that user to find new solutions. And finally, use the wish technique in which you ask what the user wishes for. Capture all ideas into written form to share with the team and use for testing. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.